We have custom designed and built this coastal-inspired kitchen, including replacing floor coverings, updating electrical and painting throughout. Part of our client's brief was to design a space that would maximise kitchen storage, provide function, whilst also creating an updated, modern feel. This kitchen was built in collaboration with Niche Kitchens. It includes 2-pack painted shaker cabinetry in natural white and benchtops in Snowdrift by Ceasarstone to complement. The existing floor of this property was tiled. It was a careful process to lift the tiles and prepare the surface to lay new Quickstep Laminate flooring. The colour selected is soft oak light brown, which creates a bright and modern feel.